but you gotta keep your head up. Oh, and you can let your head down. Hey.
Come with us to spend a day at Mr. Ed's Museum and Candy Emporium. This was where we parked. There was a cute little shed, and then I will show you guys around the parking lot. Outside of Mr. Ed's, there's 2 different areas that you can explore, and this is one of them with lots of different photo opportunities and activities for you, your kids, whoever to do. As we were walking away, this elephant started talking. Her name is Ellie. Enjoy her little speech. This girl just kept on talking.
Right there, but I have more fun here. It smells so good when Mr. Ed roasts peanuts. And you know I just adore peanuts. I even eat the shells. If you have your camera with you, I'd love to have my picture taken with you. Just stand here next to me, and I'll pose as pretty as I can. Don't forget to say cheese. I'll never forget when Mr. Ed came and got me. He put me on a U-Haul trailer and pulled me behind his car. We drove over 500 miles with the wind blowing through my hair. It was simply wonderful. And when we arrived in Chambersburg, all the papers sent reporters to cover my big entrance. I made the front page of several important newspapers. I really felt special.
And here's our little photo opportunity we took. We were about to go inside Mr. Ed's, but as we turned this way, there is a little stroll you can take through the garden. So enjoy this little garden stroll with us. Also a cute photo opportunity. There's this really cool teacup looking house, shed thing, whatever you want to call it. We're about to go tour that, so let's do it. Mac and I thought it was really cool that the teacup, little museum thing house had a little handle on the outside. Now it's time to enjoy the stroll. I thought this was really cool because I used to have this as a kid. Mr. Ed's is a really cool place inside and out for all kinds of oddities. And never did I think that I would be meeting Bigfoot. That was really cool. And of course, Mac and I had to take a photo opportunity with Mr. Bigfoot himself because he's a pretty cool man. Back to our lovely little stroll. There's John. And that's just the kind of like the back part of Mr. Ed's. I thought there'd be something cool back there, but it was just crayons. Well, here's some more crayons. Let's, this is called the Hi Ho Trail, I believe. And I think it was based off of Snow White, because, you'll see why at the end. And I thought this was kind of funny too, these little trinket things. Alrighty, now the moment you've all been waiting for, Mr. Ed's. So when we first walked in, we saw lots of different mugs, and there was a lot of candy. There is a lot of candy, there's a lot of souvenirs, a lot of elephants, a lot of trinkets. There's basically like a lot, everything you're looking for.
Can I pet your dog?
Now I'm just going to show you some of what you can find at Mr. Ed's. I tried to record as much as I could, so enjoy the music, enjoy the trinkets, enjoy the candy, enjoy the show. time to tour the Elephant Museum. Well, this video is coming to an end. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. And if you'd like more vlogs in the future, make sure you subscribe and like the video.